section 1 of our curriculum, that is the Certified Anti-Money Laundering Specialist. Section 1. In this section we will be talking about the risk and methods of money laundering. Risk and method of money laundering. When we say about the risk and method of money laundering and terrorist financing, first of all we have to understand these terms thoroughly, because this is the basic thing we have to understand. That is called the money laundering. Even we all know about the word called money, right? Money, paisa paisa. Kyo paise pe tu marti hai, right? Everyone knows. So money, everyone knows. The challenge is the word called laundering. What is laundering? Laundering, we also used to launder our clothes every day, right? Laundering, washing our clothes. Wash. What is the meaning of laundering? Means whenever we have our dirty clothes, we launder it and we make it clean. We make it clean. Similarly, in the money laundering, what we do? We launder our dirty money and we make it our clean money. We make it our clean money. First basic funda, money laundering, right? So, by understanding this point, that money laundering is the laundering of dirty money into the clean money, it means it will start from the point you should have dirty money in your hand. You should have dirty money in your hand. Means money laundering doesn't involve the way of obtaining the dirty money. It doesn't consist the way of obtaining the dirty money. Once you have the dirty money in your hand, then you will thought of laundering the dirty money into the clean money. Clear? Understood? So we can say, when we use the simple terms of dirty money, we can say it illegal proceeds. We can say it illegal proceeds. Any of the money will be, when your money will be dirty, when it is not earned by using the right ways, when it is not earned by using the legitimate ways of earning the money, right? For example, you have stolen some money from someone else, that is the dirty money, right? You have involved into any illegal activities, any kind of the crime, any kind of corruption, any kind of other ways of fraud, and by that way you have earned some money, that is the dirty money. That is the dirty money. Clear? So once you have that dirty money, then a thought comes into your mind is that, because now I have 100 crores US dollar in my house, right, under my bed, but I cannot use it. I cannot use it. To use that money, we need laundering the money. We need laundering the money. Clear? We have to make our dirty money to clean money, so that we can carry that money in our pocket and can go happily to the market and fulfill our desires, right? So that is the money laundering. So when we say about the definition of money laundering involves, just a second, yes, money laundering involves taking criminal proceeds. Criminal proceeds. Whenever you earn the money from the illegal sources, that is called the criminal proceeds, and disguising their illegal sources in order to use the funds to perform legal or illegal activities. My God, what happens, sir? Illegal money. Illegal money. We want to use it for illegal purposes. Do we need money laundering? Yes. Right? It is the point. Whenever you have the illegal money, so once we have the money, it can be of two forms. One, it is legal money, second is of illegal money, right? When you have the legal money, you can use it for legal activities, you can use it for legal activities, or you can use it for illegal activity. You don't need money laundering. You don't need money laundering, right? And whenever you have the illegal monies, you wish to use it for legal purpose, you may be wishing to use it for illegal purpose, right? But for both of these two things, you need the money laundering. But for both of these two things, you do not need the money laundering. You have the good cash in your hand. You have the clean money in your hand. You can use it for the purpose you wish to. Money laundering is not, means you don't need to convert your dirty money into the clean money, because the money is already clean. And money laundering is simply find the way of making the dirty money into the clean. So as in this money, you don't need this process of dirty to clean, hence money laundering is not involved in it. Clear? Once the money is dirty, then only the money laundering comes into the picture, converting the dirty into the clean. Now once your money has converted into the clean money, you can either use it for legal purposes or for the illegal purposes. Clear? Understood? That is the motto of money laundering. So hence we say it involves taking the criminal proceeds and disguising their illegal sources. Ultimately, when a money will be converted into dirty into clean, when the source of that money becomes legitimate. Simple. Clear? You have to showcase that the money which is in your bank account comes from XYZ sources and those sources are legitimate. Then this money will become clean. It is not the way they are using the washing powder Nirma to clean their money. Right? It is primarily showing the way, the sources of that money. Right? So showing the sources of that money. Yes, I have this 100 crore and I earned from these ways. It's called money laundering. Clear? Simply put, money laundering is the process of making dirty money into the clean money. Right? Ab itni baar, so many times I have used the word called dirty money into clean, dirty money into clean, dirty money into clean. And Umay Shankar ji, हमारे दिमाग में these two words have fixed dirty clean, dirty clean, dirty clean. And in the examination, they have changed the statement. Money laundering is the process of making clean money into the dirty. And we clicked it yes. Because dirty or clean, both two words are fixed into the mind. No. It's making the dirty money looks clean, not the clean money looks dirty. Clear? Understood? Second is, whenever we say about this entire process, about making the dirty money into the clean, the very important prerequisite is the knowledge. Means we are taking all of these steps intentionally. We are taking all of these steps intentionally. So knowledge, deliberation, or we can say intent. These are the very important aspects to prove or to initiate a case of money laundering against any person, right? So the intent and knowledge includes a mental state that may be inferred from objective factual circumstances. Some typical words are here, let me just explain it. Now, I have converted my 100 crores into the clean money and Sadashivji has also converted his 100 crore into the clean money, right? Now, how this thing will be proven that whether what intent I was carrying and what intent Sadashivji was carrying. So it will come from the factual circumstances, objective factual circumstances. So the investigator will be obtaining the factual information and will collaborate all of those information, and only then he will be reaching to a position in a situation to say that whether Sadashivji was carrying the wrongful intent or Puneet Garg was carrying the wrongful intent. Right? Clear? So it is a summation of various factual circumstances. Another definition.
But then, sir, having dirty money in any shape and form in itself is not the only reason for this. The prerequisite.
Yeah, having the dirty money is not the point of money laundering, Ekta madam. As I mentioned, money laundering is the process of converting the dirty money into the clean money. Right? So if you are carrying the dirty money, you haven't converted the money into the clean money, there cannot be any money laundering case. Right? But there can be other cases. Other criminal cases, how you get this money, though you have the dirty money only. But money laundering case can't be initiated, other kind of the cases can be initiated. Clear?
Okay.
Yes. So when we say about intent, knowledge, deliberation, so there is a very good term called willful blindness. Because it normally happens whenever we get caught by the police authority, we normally use the statement called, sir, I was not aware about it, I haven't done it wrongfully, I haven't done it willfully, right? But I was not aware about it is the very important point. The activity in which I involved, I was not aware that those activities are illegal. कैसी बातें कर रहे हो यार, right? So this is called willful blindness. You have intentionally kept hanky on your eyes, intentionally, right? Willful blindness. You are aware about the legal provisions, but you don't want to see it, right? Clear? So it is the deliberate avoidance of knowledge of fact or purposeful indifference, the same point. It is equivalent of the actual knowledge of the illegal sources of funds or the intention of a customer in a money laundering transaction. It includes ignoring obvious money laundering flags. There are very much obvious money laundering flags. If you have intentionally missed those flags, that is called the willful blindness, right? So we will be marking this willful blindness as the important point. You may be getting this question from this particular paragraph, right? So that is the willful blindness. Clear to everyone? So we have discussed about the term called money laundering. Though we have to understand two terms. That is the money laundering, second is the terrorist financing. Terrorist financing will be touching up in the subsequent sections, right? Now here